Do you share your personality and also your passion once you're presenting your project? Because presentations without, they are just data without a soul. And yes, facts and figures are of course important, especially in science and business presentations. We need, in most cases, the results to show and to highlight what happened, what is the impact of some data, of course. But what most people do not understand and what most people miss out is they don't share the personality. They just have the results, the numbers, the figures, the solutions, and also the consequences, and also an outlook. But that's not enough. What will happen if you continue to present without personality, without passion? You will be replaced by artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is so intelligent they can present without any mistakes. But what they miss is personality and passion, guess? Yes, that's right. Yeah, so you can make a huge difference. Please share your why, your background, your motivation, why you do the project you're working on. What are special moments? What are the moments you enjoy most? Are there personal stories? Are there any specific moments when you had this moment, new level of knowledge, I got it. Yeah, so please share it. In my case, it happened many years ago when I was a PhD student and then presented my project at a conference, at a science conference, and you could see that I loved what I presented. And one professor, we knew each other already and had worked on a similar topic. This professor approached me at a coffee break afterwards, and he offered me a new position. Guess what? It changed my career for the next few years. And this only because I had great results and also shared my passion. And this is what I wish you all the best, to share your personality, your passion in your project, to combine it with the data, with the facts and figures. And that makes all the difference to 90% of presenters who do not do that. I wish you all the best for your presentation, and presentation is fascination.